La Romana. There's not a whole lot here. I don't know. Can't just turn the camera around. That's the port area there. I just dropped Cova off at the kids club because he kept saying play at the kids club. Mom and I are just walking around, Mom, to just kind of see what we can see from the boat. And we may get off just to walk around and shop, and that's about it. That's all we would do.
I like shopping.
Mom does like shopping. I do need to run back to the room though and get the phone for the kids club.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we'll do that. And we gotta pick Cova up around 11:45 for lunchtime. But right now it's just kind of kids' choice, and they're playing and having fun. So let's see what we can see. Not exactly the prettiest port we've ever pulled into. I'll just come back here. Alright, here's the other side. It's a little prettier. But smells industrial. I don't know if it's from that thing right there. Pumping out stuff. That's the only pretty spot so far, right there. We're sitting on Lido, having a little bit of like a brunch, and looking at the pool, and waiting to go get Cova because we're gonna go pick him up from the kids club, and then feed him some lunch, and then maybe just walk in to the shops here in La Romana and just see, and then come back on board. It's a really like easy, relaxing day, and that's about all. They're getting ready to shut the buffet down for lunch, and then we'll see if Cova wants to go eat either noodles at the pasta bar or pizza. But here is where we are sitting. Sitting at the back of the ship. Nice view. I do like on this one that the bar here at the back of the ship is in the middle versus off to the side. It gives more room and it doesn't get as congested. For lunch yesterday, Robert got the whole fried fish that was here at the seafood shack. And I think today he said he might get, is it like a peel and eat shrimp? Yeah, like peel and eat shrimp by the pound, huh? Yeah, so they have like shrimp, you can buy the stuff by the pound. They don't have anything out at the moment to show, but I will in a little bit, so yeah. Robert said that whole fried fish was delicious. Cova, what are we gonna eat? Are we gonna eat noodles?
Big monster.
A big monster truck, that's right. So we are upstairs in the pasta bar. It opens from noon to 2:30, and it is like literally 12:09. Dad, I went to get you chocolate milk. We're up here and we ordered pasta because Cova loves noodles. Do you like noodles? Yeah. So we ordered noodles. We did the penne noodles with Alfredo sauce, and I got some chicken in it, and Cova and I are going to share. Are we going to share? Yeah. So that's what we're going to have when it comes out. I will show you. We also have this delicious bread. What's yours? Are those your toys? Yes. Thank you so much. It is noodles. It's hot, so it's got to cool off, okay? Mommy will cool it off. Ooh, do you see that steam? Ooh, it's hot. Alright, so So I got the penne with Alfredo sauce and chicken strips. And Robert got, I'm not sure what he got, but I know there's mushrooms and like the tomato sauce. It looks good, right, Cova? Does it look good? Let's see. You want to put a little Parmesan on it? Let's put some more cheese on it. You want to put cheese on it? Yeah, let's put some cheese on it. Alright. Are you ready?
I always guess it 32282.
Mmm, so good. Is it hot?
So I would either hot.
But is it good? It's not bad.
Enjoy.
Is it hot? Mmm. Alright, Mommy's turn to get a bite. Mmm, really good. Is it really good?
It's excellent.
Hey, Cova, can you give me the side eye? No? Alright, Cova, can you do your happy face? Why are you just doing sad face? Dada, do happy face and see if he'll do happy face. Do happy face. Are you tired? What about your mad face? Silly face? What about mad face? Ooh, that's a mad face. What about your pouty face?
Bow.
Pow pow, is that your mad face? What about pouty? That's a good pouty face. What does Mickey Mouse say?
Oh boy.
What does Goofy say? What does Donald say? Are you just being goofy now? Huh? What does Donald say? Alright, we just got off the boat in La Romana. We're gonna go walk around and see what there is to see. Cova, clap to the music. Can you shake it? Yay!
Yes! Wow, wow, wow.
Good job! Keep shaking! Do both! Shake both hands! course, like most cruise ports, you walk through the tax and duty free.